Lenovo X1, disassembling, assembling, and cleaning the radar. Take off the front plate by pulling and lifting the plate. Be careful with this part because it is fairly fragile. Remove the 6 screws connecting the plate and take off the back plate and the connectors. Remove the 4 screws connecting the plate and take off the radar plate. Take out the radar case by pressing on the 2 springs while gently lifting out the case. This is the radar. It has 4 screws. Unscrew them. Be careful not to lose these 4 springs. I lost one here. Take out the radar and disconnect it. Clean the radar of hair and other foreign matter. Check the belt and under the radar. Connect the radar and put it back in place. There are 4 screws. Put the radar case back in place. Press on the end of the spring and attach the other end to the spike. Put the radar plate back in place. There are 4 screws. Put the back plate and the connectors back in place. There are 6 screws. Click the front plate into place. Check to make sure the radar is installed properly.